what's inside?
I don't know. We don't know.
Okay, let's open it! Okay, come on, let's open it. Wow, it's an LOL surprise! So I know how to fix this, guys. Here, so. Okay, all done. And her water bottle. Do you think it looks pretty? I just put a sticker on it because I put also a sticker here. And the toilet. Close that. And her lovely comb brush. And a candy for her. And a bathtub. Check what it says. Okay, first let's put on her slippers so that she won't slip. Uh-oh. That's on the other side. Uh-oh, it dropped on my shirt. Do you think her shoes looks lovely on her? She almost looks ready for school. But first thing, she needs to have a bath. And let's set her all down. I think it's all done. She having so much fun. Okay, now time for her to change her dress first until. So guys, this dress fit on her perfectly, and you should buy this because it's perfect for her. It looks lovely, guys. And you see at the back. Tick, 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 tick.
She's so pretty.
With her school outfit, she's ready for
Wow.
school. Okay, and now, first let's put on her shoes. Oh, this goes here, because it's big. For this one. It's all the same, it's all the same. This is very fun. I always wish for LOLs. And also, they look so nice. I think it's all ready. Guys, you just on the comments, and if you think it's beautiful. Oh, do you think it's nice? And the toilet is also blue. And now let's comb her hair and her big hair. Okay. And this was the secret message. Oh, and I just also put stickers. Okay, time for her lunch. First, time for her breakfast. It says, leave her. I can't leave her alone because I like it. To not make her cry. Uh-oh, a shoe fell. Oh, sorry, this shoe is... What is happening? Okay, so this is her pacifier so that she won't cry. Her spoon is there, and her cereal, and also the back is egg. She likes egg cereal. And her water bottle to not get hot. For getting nice. Because mommy always said I should drink a lot of water.
Wow.
Nah. She can't eat with those. She can have also candy, but no. Candy's not allowed. Because they're sweet. Okay, you take that out. You can feed her like that. Guys, is this so beautiful, her dresses? Because I just tried to let her stand, but it won't stand at all. At least this LOL is nice. Okay, I think she's finished with her breakfast. Time to now feed her water, which is good. Guys, you can't remove this.
Is it water or milk?
But this is milk. I mean water. Don't forget to comb her hair. Comb up the back. Comb up the back. Like that. And this is a tiara. You know what it means, Mommy? It means a crown.
Okay.
And let's put her on. Wow. Oh,
It's really like a crown.
Yeah, it is. It's a crown. Do you think she looks pretty red for school? You think it's perfect for her to go to school? Yeah, she can go to school. So first, we need to practice for her bed. And like I said, you can also break it out like that. And this is the elevator you can take. Ooh, we need to have her pacifier if she cries right now. Because she is a big sister, but she is crying too much. Uh-oh, her shoe fell off again. And you can also move the magnet. See?
So nice in the video.
Oh, she already go to school, but she need to go to school right now. Because she's already a big sister. She's late. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, let's go to school. Okay, let's eat my lunch. Okay, I'm gonna and put this upstairs. In the toilet
Okay.
for you. And this is the secret message what you got. Because I always wish for it because it was in YouTube. I'm always watching that. Oh, what's this? Maybe a pacifier with moving eyes. Let's remove her crown, her shoes, and you can turn it as slippers. Cannot stand. There you go. Let's put it there. Oh. Okay, there you go. Her bottle. Oh, we got the milk. In there. You cannot have some food in the room. That's so funny, right, guys? Right? And her tiara at the room. And this is the washroom. And also, look, guys. You can fix this. Thank you for watching. Do you like my video? Please subscribe.